going on, guys? Puck here with another motovlog. I didn't really want to start the video off again yet, but I saw the red arrows. They're from like France or some shit. They're like England. They're like the Queen's airplanes or jets or something like that. Like how the United States has the Blue Angels. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I think so. I thought I looked it up the other day when I saw, I was like, what are these red jets? And it's the red arrows. And yeah, anyway, there was a rumor that they were being decommissioned or something like that, but that was just a rumor. But yeah, that was cool to see again. And then I'm glad I had my GoPro running. Hopefully you guys can see it when I zoom in on it. But anyway, I'm on my way to work. So I was moving, well, yesterday I did my snake feeding video, and I pushed my ottoman like all the way up into my couch, like next to my couch. And this morning when I was moving stuff back and looking for a USB charger so I could charge my GoPro batteries, and I found it. I saw a cord and I pulled up on it, and just to see if that was one, and guess what I found? I found my GoPro. It was like stuck up underneath my ottoman. So now I have two GoPros. So now I'm thinking about trying to like maybe like mount one up here or like right here, or else I just always have a backup one now. So dude, like that made my day. Like I don't care if any piercings, like if no piercings come in, like yeah, it would be nice to make some money, but I'm so happy right now. Like I will screech in celebration. Anyway, how are you guys doing? I'm doing excellent now that I found my GoPro. Like, I'm like ecstatic. I'm so excited. And yeah, anyway, I'm not gonna sing for you. So yeah, what time is it? It is 1:40, maybe. Is it? Yep, 1:44. Sweet, clock is still working on this correctly. I was wondering about that. What to talk about? Well, I found my GoPro. Now I gotta figure out what I want to do with it. Or if I should just keep it as a spare. I'm so glad that I found it though, because it has the backpack battery on it that makes like life of the GoPro like twice as long. And I've been meaning to buy another one for the GoPro that I'm on right now. But they're like 34, 35 bucks. And I realized I forgot to downshift. Oh well. But yeah, dude, I'm so excited. I knew I'd find it eventually. That's awesome. Like for real, I'm so excited. Alright, I gotta go around this truck. The crazy goat lady. Crazy goat lady. There's always cops there. I could go for coffee right now. I would love coffee. Oh yeah, so right back there at the top of that hill is where I ran out of gas the other day. And what made me decide to put this back on. And then I had to walk the bike up this hill from way back there. No, it's not that far. It's like a little more than a quarter mile, maybe maybe half a mile. But I'd walk into this gas station right here, the 7-Eleven, which sucked balls. Ball sacks. Poop balls. Caesar, that one's for you. Poop balls. It will forever be a running joke. Dude, Caesar, you should so let me tattoo poop balls on you. That would be awesome and funny. Actually, that is what's going to be on when I make my key tags. That is what's going to be on my my key tag. It's going to say Sir Puck on one side and then poop balls on the other. Poop balls. That is going to be my slogan. Poop balls. I will never grow up, guys. Ever. I'm always going to be a kid. I don't want to grow up. I'm a Toys R Us kid. Wait, Toys R Us is out of business, isn't it? So does that mean since Toys R Us like went out of business, or does that mean all the Toys R Us kids like grew up? Is that how that works? I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Does that mean like since Toys R Us went out of business, does that mean all the Toys R Us kids are now all grown up? So yeah, anyway, leave a comment down below. Come on, cars, go faster. Even though I really don't, I'm not in any hurry to get to work. I just hate going slow. This 4Runner's got the same idea as me. Squirp! Squirp! I have way too much energy now from finding my GoPro. Find neutral, there we go. It is starting to be a hot one. And by the looks of things, I need a new screen protector thing. I know there's a crack somewhere else in here. Oh, there's one right there. What time is it? 1:52. You know what? When I get bored, I'll stop at the T-Mobile over there later and get a new one. Because I'm on their insurance plan, and I guess the insurance plan covers the screen protectors. The tempered glass screen protectors, so yeah. Woohoo! Get to go already. There was a shadow of a bird or a bug that went across the road and it scared me. I was like, oh! I see a puppers. I see a puppy. I'm gonna catch up to the puppy. Hi puppies! Hi puppies! I actually got to work really quick. anyway, guys, leave a comment down below on how your week is going so far. Or your weekend. Sorry, yeah, it's Sunday now. Yeah, leave a comment down below how your weekend has been. Or how your week's been. Or just talk about life in the comments. I'm a good listener. I talk a lot, but I listen. Let's see. I'm in such a good mood for finding my GoPro now, and now I gotta be at work. And I'm not looking forward to it. Hope it's busy. That'd be cool. But even if it's not, I found my GoPro, and I'm so freaking happy. I'm such in a good mood. This is awesome. Now I just gotta get a Monster in my belly or some coffee. One of the tattoo artists yesterday brought in some food that his wife made, and there was like a lot of beans in it, and cornbread, and sausage. It was almost like a jambalaya type thing. But anyway, I can't stop, like I ate a lot, and now I can't stop farting. Like, it's bad. Like, it doesn't smell, but it's loud. It's loud. Anyway, guys, sorry. I'm sure you didn't want to know that, but oh well, farting is funny and whatnot. Yeah, slow the hell down. If a car behind me has to squeak, they are running way too close to me. Anyway, I am here at work, guys. I'm going to try to do a wheelie for a second. And no one even cared that I did the wheelie. Anyway, I'm here at work, guys. So yeah, where is it going? They park all the way down here to go to the smoke shop. It's not illegal to go into a smoke shop. Unless they thought this was a smoke shop. But anyway, I get so distracted. Blinker off. See it? I'm glad I have this on, or else I wouldn't have realized my blinker was on. Anyway, guys, so I am here at work, and I hope you all have a fantastic and awesome day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That would be so cool of you. Let me keep doing this for you guys. Like, I'm going to keep doing it regardless if you guys like the videos. This just gives me something to do, but it helps me boost my self-esteem. And yeah, anyway, guys, I am out of here.